What's up, everybody? Welcome to Diamond Owl Studios, your new favorite reaction channel. I'm Paper Chase.
And it's the one and only Diamond Don Juan. We are back with another reaction just for you.
That's right, baby. We are back, and dude, we loaded up a banger today, dude. We loaded up a banger, a bazooka.
That is
Tell
true.
them what we're reacting to.
So it's Lynyrd Skynyrd, Freebird.
Say it with some enthusiasm. Say it with some grit.
I was just going to say it. It's a live performance. Now,
Okay.
I don't know how you could be a human being on the planet and never have heard this song.
Yeah, I mean, dude, you know where I know this song from, right?
What?
Dude, come on.
No, I don't know.
This is showing how different from generations our generation is.
Everywhere?
Guitar Hero, baby. This
Yeah,
is like the
see,
hardest song to play on Guitar Hero.
Is it really?
Yeah, it was like the Guitar Hero song.
Okay.
So that's where I know.
Does it have the lyrics and everything or just the...
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. So you know it from Guitar Hero. I just know it from being a, red-blooded American who, has ears.
There you go. Well, big ones, I might add. Just kidding.
That is true.
They're actually very proportionally sized ears. But no, I mean, I've heard this song. I haven't heard this song in a very, very long time. Never seen the performance
Never
live.
seen a live performance. And yeah, we're going to dive in and see, what we pick up on, what we might have missed.
Let's do
Just
it.
take a ride.
Get hard, baby. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow, I was right.
With some cannons.
If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places I've got to see. If I stay with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. I swear I
This is iconic, bro. This is iconic. So when you said that you knew this because you're a red-blooded American, was this like a huge song at some point? Like, I mean, I know it's huge, but I'm saying, like, was this like culturally relevant when you were younger?
I mean, I feel so my uncles and a lot of my family were like bikers, and so this song has probably been played in the background at
Your whole life,
family
basically.
reunions and stuff. So, but I think it's just like it's an American song. I mean,
Yeah.
it's Freebird, like the whole meaning behind it, like this bird you cannot chain. It's like fucking eagle soaring free
Yeah.
that can't be caged.
Yeah.
I mean, can we just take a moment to look at Swag Daddy here with his, snakeskin hat band and big
Yeah.
old belt buckle? I mean, all of them.
These
just
guys
like,
are just emulating just rock star vibes, dude. I absolutely love it. So
yeah.
Play it pretty for Oakland.
and the ladies loved them.
Billy Powell on piano. Bye, bye, baby. It's been a sweet life. Oh, yeah, yeah. Though this feeling I can't change. But please don't take me so badly. 'Cause the Lord knows I'm to blame. If I stay here with you now, well, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. How about you?
dude. God damn, dude.
That was amazing.
One of the great ones, Lynyrd Skynyrd. Let's hear it for them. Man, that band's so good, you'd think they were from San Francisco, would you?
That was incredible. What an incredible performance that was.
Holy crap, dude. Like I knew this song and I knew it was a banger, so I came into it with expectations that completely blew it all out of the water.
Yeah, the live performance was incredible. And I mean, it's got to be like one of the greatest rock songs of all time, no?
Yeah.
I mean,
That was in 1977.
yeah, 77, 2 years before I was born. I mean, you just have that epic guitar solo, or well, not necessarily a solo, but the epic guitar portion. You got the piano, the lyrics. It's like kind of like sad and bittersweet at the, beginning of the song.
Yeah, I mean, kind of. I mean, I feel like it's kind of like what, like an apology song, but also kind of like.
No, it's the player anthem of all time.
Yeah, but he's like saying, like, I'm
He's
sorry,
basically
like I'm
saying,
free
bitch,
as a bird.
you can't hold me down.
Exactly.
That's what
but
he's saying.
he was saying
but in a very
in a sweet and endearing
nice way.
So he was like apologizing to her, like, hey,
yes, but
some things he can't change.
He's a dog.
Yeah,
he's a dog, and he's trying to be nice about it, but he's like, hey. And then the end part is he's like, oh, I'm finally free now. That's what it is. The first part is just
my
like,
free bird.
yeah, if I leave here tomorrow. He's basically just saying in a nice way, like, I'm not a, I can't be held down.
At least he's being honest.
He is, and I do respect him, but it is the ultimate like rock star song because he's saying like, girl, you can't hold me down. I'm sorry, I won't be happy here being put in this cage. I got to spread my wings.
See, the thing about a song like this is I think that it appealed to so many people, especially I feel like in the 70s and, just like it's not even just like a player anthem. Like that's how you take it because you're very shallow. So I understand that.
I've always listened to this song, honestly. Go ahead. I'll let you finish.
I understand that where you're coming from because you're just a very shallow person. But it's like a song to all like the free spirits out there, to everybody who like doesn't want to be chained down. Like that doesn't even necessarily mean like to a relationship, but just to like a construct of anything, which is how I feel. And obviously they have the elements of like, if I leave here tomorrow, girl, like, I'm sorry, whatever. But I feel like it's just, that's why this song was so massive and such a hit, because it appeals to all the free spirits out there. And I don't know about you, but I'm a free spirit, man.
I am too. Honestly, the song always like, for some reason makes, I don't know, maybe I'm just morbid, but that line, like, if I leave here tomorrow, I always just thought about death, like associated with the song. I know it's not necessarily about that.
It's not about that at all.
Way that the, song is sung, you know, and it's just the tone of it for whatever reason. It just always had like a sadness to me.
Well,
that first part of it, you know what I
There
mean?
goes Diamond Don Wannabe just bringing
Yeah, you're saying that I'm
bringing
shallow.
a dark cloud to the party once again.
When it's really just a song about like
I'm here
it's
bringing
basically-
Modelo's and some delicious homemade salsa, and he brings a rain cloud. Freaking guy. No, I'm just kidding. That was fantastic though. Like I had no idea coming into this because okay, I'll be completely honest.
Mhm.
We wanted to do a reaction of Freebird. I was like, hey, I've never seen the music video. That'd be fun. He's like, nah, dude, we should do the live performance. I've heard great things about it. And we kind of went back and forth, and I'm so happy that we decided to do. the
Yeah,
live
I was
performance.
arguing with him about, you know,
Yeah, I mean,
I don't care what I told him. I don't care what you want. I'm
He
a
did
free
say
bird,
that. Yeah.
you know,
he did say
and
that.
you're not going to cage me, and we're going to
Yeah.
watch the live rendition. I'm so glad that we did.
And correct me if I'm wrong, but they passed away in a plane crash.
I don't think they did.
But like
one of the members
okay, let me look it up real quick.
died. You always look to me for the lore, and you know damn well that I know almost nothing about a lot of these groups.
But
So
sometimes
I'm
you,
just going to stop taking swings.
sometimes you sneakily look up shit before the video.
No, I
starts.
don't sneakily do it.
Let me look it up.
I think it was like his brother or something, because I think there was like one of the siblings was in the band. But look it up. I know they had like a beef with Neil Young.
What does that have to do with anything?
I just think that's interesting lore.
So the band suffered a devastating plane crash that killed several key members.
Okay, you're right. See, there you go. Why do you ask me when you know?
So the lead singer died, the guitarist died, the backing vocalist died, and the assistant road manager and both pilots died. Who survived? Several members survived with serious injuries, including Gary Rossington, Alan Collins, and Billy Powell. So they were all on the plane.
Damn.
Yeah.
I always get this lore mixed up because there's like a lot of tragedies, you know, in the rock world. Sometimes it's hard to keep them straight.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah, this is just like such an iconic song. I feel like it's timeless.
That's sad, man, because you hear about a lot of like, you know, of these incredible bands. We've dug into a lot of them, and you know, we hear about either tragic passing away from drugs or whatever, but just, you know, it being a plane crash, that's crazy.
Yeah.
That's so sad. They were incredible. That was a masterful performance. Blew us away.
Absolutely. And you're going to have to let us know if there's another Lynyrd Skynyrd song that we need to react to. A live version, maybe?
Yeah.
Or not.
If you
Put
guys
it in the
enjoy-
comments.
Yeah. Slap some pepper on it.
Yeah, that's
I
right.
don't think that's a saying, but hey, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like. And if you want to join us on this journey of discovering new music, old music, everything in between, hit that subscribe button. Don't wait till later. Subscribe right now.
That's right. We will see you on the next one. Peace.